changed already? Mommy, come here. You gotta get on the camera.
Light bulb? Oh, what kind is it? A 40 water?
Budweiser.
You wish. Silly girl. I can stop it from here too. Or put it on
No, don't stop it.
pause.
No.
Look at the camera and it'll show up. Look right here in the lens. You're looking at the TV, not the lens. You gotta look at the lens. There you go. Yeah, I can see it. Your eyes are going. You're silly.
Hi, Adrian.
Hi, Mommy.
I can zoom
Mommy,
in on
come back up here.
I will in a sec. I know where I put the tape, and I need the tape.
Hello there. Bruce, you gotta get on camera.
Hmm?
You gotta get over here. Ah!
I wasn't looking at the lens either. I'll look in the lens this time. Can you see my eyes?
Yeah.
Here comes your mouth.
Mommy! Hello!
Hi, honey.
Come up here,
I don't want to come that close.
You
please.
want your face in the camera.
I don't want my face in the camera. Hi, Adrian.
Hi, Mama.
You're looking at the TV stuff.
Hi.
Hi.
Bruce gotta get in here too.
That's gonna be hard.
Oh.
Wild people.
No!
Oh, gotta go.
You want to see yourself?
Okay.
Okay. Let's do a fade out. Let me get the fade button if I can find it on there. Here it is. Okay. Stop. Here goes. It's
No.
There it goes.
Are we recording again?
Yes.
Hello.
So I should just go around.
Oh, you're talking about in the inside.
There. Oh, there. Yeah.
Because you're relying on the straightness in the wall. But it's really not straight.
Not straight. There's no lines going straight. So I know they're not straight.
What you doing, little girl? I know you're on tape. You're being recorded.
Hello. Oh, are you eating pizza? Is it nasty?
Really good.
I hate Pizza Hut.
Really?
Yeah.
All pizza?
What?
You hate all pizza?
I like Domino's. I don't like Pizza Hut.
You see the picture I got of you and Brian with your purple tongue?
Uh-uh.
Black almost. Well, I'll just do it back here.
Oh,
Here goes. Fade out.
oh, not again.